Many people wonder if using a microwave might lead to cancer due to its radiation. In reality, microwaves utilize non-ionizing radiation, which doesn't have the energy to alter DNA or cause cancer. Instead, they simply heat food by causing water molecules to vibrate, creating thermal energy. Radiation emitted is minimal and well shielded within the microwave's design to keep users safe. Moreover, the FDA regulates microwaves, ensuring they meet safety standards, so you can microwave your meals without fear. They're safe and convenient appliances when used as intended.